So there's a button on your GoPro that will turn your footage from this to this, and it's really easy.
Mr. Black.
And the secret button is right up here at the top. Yeah, the record button. But the point of this video was to tell you that the out-of-the-box settings already look really good. Sometimes when you see other videos out there where they're putting like D-Log and they're transforming their videos like none other, and it makes you go like, wow, that's so good. I mean, I actually did that too. This is my video right there. So then you're thinking you have to do all this editing to make your GoPro footage look that good. But the answer is no, you don't have to do that. However, I do think D-Log has its place for keeping a consistent look between different cameras. But for the most part, your normal settings are gonna be perfect for all of your outdoor adventures, especially when you have it just set in easy controls and standard quality. But right now, this is the standard quality 4K, which you can easily set it to different frame rates over here on the side, in case you wanna slow it down half speed or quarter speed, or even go 8 times slower at 2K. But hey, you can go into pro settings all you want and fine tune it to different things. But for the normal average consumer out there, all you have to do is turn it on and start recording. And you can check out some of my other videos that are on the screen right now for a more in-depth GoPro tips and tricks. And yeah, sorry for the quick videos. I'm actually on a cruise ship right now out of Auckland, New Zealand, but I'm gonna get back to it. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.